Hey guys, before we start today's video, I'd like to give you a quick reminder. So this is my old people playground model. Boring. Or at least it's not what I like. This is the new one. Sure, the arm's a little broken, but it's better than this one. Why, you ask? Well, first of all, this one doesn't have an annoying black dot in the eye. My black dot is not annoying. Shut up. Second of all, the inside isn't disgusting. All insides are disgusting, bro. Not more disgusting than this. Ah! Ugh. That's unsanitary. And this is what this is what the new one looks like on the inside. Ah. Yeah, this looks cooler. But yeah, that's it. Now on with the video.
For the last time, dude, you don't hit the Spanish button in this house, okay? I'm gonna hit the button. No, I just said not to. El diablo no quiere y usa pantalones en mi casa y no sé por qué.